Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm your host, Buckning, and today we're going to show you the buys, the Easter buys that we did last week, because we are currently in the middle of the Easter long weekend. So we'll show you the buys, show you the milestone we hit. Whoa, don't know what happened there, but we didn't actually hit a milestone, but we are so very, very close to hitting the milestone of $18,000. Any significant reason why it's $18,000? No, it's just reaching a new thousand every single time in this portfolio, from 0 to 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, now to almost $18,000. So very excited about that. And so we're going to show you the buys. We're going to show you trackyourdividends.com for the previous week. We're going to show you the share site, which is the site that I use and pay for to track the whole performance of the year of this portfolio. But let's just get right into it. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. This is where we put $100 a week into a tax-free savings account to build a dividend portfolio right in front of your eyes. And if you're not new, welcome back. All right, so for the day, last week, the portfolio closed out at $17,971.41, down $125.92, down 0.7%. For the 1 week, down $145.22, down 0.8%. For the 1 month, we are up $256.69, up 1.45%. For the 3 months, up $231.31, up 1.3%. And for the 1 year, up down $553.21. And then for the all, since starting this portfolio, we are up $1,555.46, up 9.48%. As you can see here, we have $6.86 in the cash account. And what we bought last week, and every single week that we do buy, is a fractional buy of the Vanguard S&P 500 index ETF. Ticker symbol VFV is the one I am purchasing and putting in this portfolio. Closing out at $98.12, up 49 cents on the day, up 0.5%. We now have 19 and almost a half share in VFV alone. Total position value of $1,905.41. It holds about 10.61% of the portfolio. And our average cost of getting in is about $94.17. All right, so like I said, every week we buy a fractional share. We got 0.255 of a share at the price of $98.03, totaling $25 Canadian. And that is the Vanguard fractional buy, as we do every single week. And then the purchase that we made was Royal Bank of Canada, ticker symbol RY. I think most people are starting to see a pattern here that I am buying a specific bank for no other reason than to even out the portfolio a little bit, to make sure everything's are sound for my portfolio. So Royal Bank, ticker symbol RY, closing out at $130.55 on the day there. We now have 17 shares, total position value of $2,219.35. Average price of getting in is $122.67, and it holds about 12.35% of the portfolio. As you can see here, on April 6th, which was the Thursday, we bought 1 share at $129.95. And again, that is Royal Bank of Canada, ticker symbol RY. So next we will head over to trackyourdividends.com. This site's completely free, and no, I do not pay for this. Like I said, it's completely free. I just use it to track the annual amount of dividends that go in this portfolio. So as you can see on the screen here, the screenshot just shows our previous week, or sorry, not the previous week, but the portfolio without the updated positions, and you'll see what kind of a difference it makes when adding new positions in. So without the updated positions, we have a portfolio yield of 4.04%. That is if you were to build a portfolio on Thursday without the updated positions at the price that they currently closed at. Our yield and cost is 4.4%. So thanks to dollar cost averaging, we are getting a bit of a higher yielded return on our costs. Annual income is $718 without the updated positions. Of course, divide quarterly or however the frequency is paid out on your dividends. Next, you will see the portfolio yield with the dividends, or the portfolio updated with the updated positions. Portfolio yield is 4.03%. Yield on cost went down to 4.39%, but our annual income went up from $718 to $724. And again, that is with our share of Royal Bank and our share of, or not a share, but a quarter of a share of VFV, the Vanguard S&P 500 index ETF. And yeah, so that is the updated trackyourdividends.com, completely free. Next, we will head over to ShareSite, and I'll show you the total performance of the portfolio for this fiscal year starting in January there. What I like about this one, capital gains, dividends, currency gain are all incorporated, all taken into factor when determining the performance of the portfolio. So I'll show that and provide you with the data here. $531.19 in capital gains, up 3.05%. Dividends coming in at $217.95, up 1.25%. Currency gain down 3.63%, or sorry, $3.63, down 0.02%, and our total return is up $745.51, up 4.28%. And that is the portfolio. Honestly, I'm not going to talk about the news and things going on. There is a lot going on, but I think, I guess what's more important right now is just making sure that you are consistently investing on a regular frequency basis, and figuring out how you can do that, because I think the opportunity is right around the corner for a lot of investors, and I'm not going to be down in the dumps about what's going on and what could be happening. I think we're in a very interesting time, much more interesting than actually probably 2020 era. So other than that, guys, hopefully you have a great Easter. Stay tuned for the next video when we show you how much dividends you receive for the month of March. I know it's a bit late, but with scheduling and things going on, we just kind of delayed it a little bit. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and we'll definitely see you guys in the next one. Bye.